In this video, I'm going to show you an easy trick how to make your car look about 5 to 7 years newer. Now, why would you want to do that? Let's say maybe you're going to try and sell it and you want to make it look a little more modern, a little more up to date. You could get maybe $1,000 more for it. Let's say you've had the car quite a while, it's paid off. You kind of want maybe a new car, but you maybe want to freshen up your car. This is an easy way to do it. I'll show you how, and I'll show you where I usually buy the parts and how to get it done. I'm using this Nissan Pathfinder as a classic example because the body style really hasn't changed much. This is when you really notice a big difference. If there's big body style changes throughout the years, it doesn't work quite as well. But since this body style still remains the same, this is going to look a lot newer when I'm done. Here is the before view on the passenger side. Here's the after view on the passenger side. Here is the before view on the driver's side. And here is the after on the driver's side. Here is an up-close view of the original 2014 wheels. The up-close view of the Nissan Pathfinder 2019 wheel. Now that I have all four wheels on, this looks like a 2019 Pathfinder and no longer a 2014. Being that the Pathfinder hasn't undergone a lot of body changes, you can't really tell the difference. This car does look newer. Now, how do you get wheels and tires like this? The best place is probably Marketplace. Let's say you have a 2015, 2016. You can just type in 2020, whatever vehicle it is, wheels and tires. And usually a lot of people, when they buy a car within a couple months, couple thousand miles, they might take the originals off, set them in the garage, and go buy some new fancy looking wheels. And then you can pick up those originals at a fairly low cost. Now the wheels and tires that were on this were fairly worn out. It was probably about due for replacement anyway. And the tires that came with these wheels are fairly new. So you kind of kill two birds with one stone. You get a newer looking wheel, newer tires with lower miles. And if you're looking to resell it, you can add about $1,000 to the price that you were thinking about selling it. Let's say we're going to list this for $12,000. Now with these new wheels and tires, I can easily ask maybe $13,500. Now usually what I like to pay is about $350 or under. Usually if you find something newer, like say a 2024 wheel and tire, you might be paying close to $800–900, but you don't need to do that. I've bought several wheels and tires like this for around $350 on Marketplace. If you're looking for an inexpensive, quick and easy way to upgrade the look of your vehicle, newer style OEM wheels are going to do the trick. Now whatever the vehicle is, let's say it's a Chevy, I look for Chevy OEM wheels. If it's a Ford, I look for Ford OEM wheels. This trick kind of doesn't really work if you were to just say go to Discount Tire and buy 4 of their brand new wheels. They don't usually ever look like OEM. The OEM wheels, if you stick with those, that's what's going to give it that look and pop that you're looking for. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.